Good morning, friends. Thought of the day is how you can start off your day with positivity and clear all the negativity from your daily life. Is the best thing to do is start your day with 15-20 minutes of meditation. And if you are really busy and you don't have time for meditation at all, then it is prescribed an hour of meditation for you, because then that's how you'll get time to know your inner self, your higher self, and get to know what's the purpose of your life and why you're here. You're not just here to eat, drink and die, and there is a higher purpose for each individual who is born here. So start your day with 15-20 minutes or even an hour of meditation. That's the best way to get rid of the negativity in your life. And then on throughout the day, you can use anything and everything to clear off your negativity. So suppose you are taking your bath and taking your shower, so you can imagine yourself with those hot or cold shower, that those shower is just clearing off your negativity from your life and washing it away while you are taking your bath. And similarly, you can use that for every situation. Even you are driving, you can say, put a brake to the negative thoughts and please bring positive thoughts, and you will be surprised how positive thoughts will start coming to you. Even at work, if some negative thought creeps up, you can tell yourself, let's shred this negative thought and bring some positive thoughts. And it is also found, it is maybe human nature, that if you are talking to a person A about a person B, and when you're talking to person A, you're talking bad about person B, even though he or she is your friend. And what happens is, those negative thoughts, feelings, and those negative words have a ripple effect in the universe and even inside your body, because your body and universe work together. So as soon as you say something negative, it creates a ripple effect and brings you the same effect multiple times. And so while you're talking for that person, you'll be surprised that person comes to know about it too, through the universal forces. And then there's like maybe hundreds of other people who are talking bad about you, because you are creating that for yourself in the universe. So just be careful, be mindful of what you talk about other person. And by mistake, even if by purpose or by mistake you have said something bad about the person B, what you can do is immediately tell yourself or tell the other person, sorry, I also blessed that person, the person B you're talking about, and then that will cancel the previous conversation of negative thoughts and words and stuff. So, and that for every situation you can do. Even if the negative thoughts come to your mind, just say, sorry, I bless that situation, and let that situation become better. And you'll be surprised that the previous conversation you had with yourself or with any other person, or even thoughts between you and your higher self, you can cancel the previous negativity and get into the positive emotions. So try this for a few days. It is said that 21 days at least, you practice something and it becomes a habit. So I would suggest do 30 days. Start with 30 days of meditation and 30 days of awareness, mindfulness of what you talk about others, you talk about materialistic things or anything in the universe. Start talking positive and bring positivity in your life. So that's all for today, friends. See you all next time. Bye.